Yeah, that body's a blessing, girl. I ain't tryna pressure her. She messed with the temperature. Hard wrote this.
Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to download PUBG PC Lite. Watch this video till end. Now go to the link in description and go to download. The game minimum requirement is 4 GB RAM. Now click the download button. I already download the setup, so I am cancelling. Now install the setup. Its language is different, so follow me. I already installed, so I am cancelling. Now download Soft Ether VPN client, link in description. I already downloaded and installed this software, so I am cancelling both downloading and installation.
Look behind your back. Chase a light when the world is getting darker. I have a dream where love's the only side. So take my hand, join the army of the shadows. Going harder, we are more than numbers. Standing in this hate. Going louder, we are all one color.
After installing, open the application. Now connect to a Thailand server. If the connection shows any error, try again. After connected to Thailand server, open PUBG Lite PC application. Now create your account. I already created. Create an account with your details and link your account to Steam. After creating your account, log in. Click the update button to download the game completely. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any doubt, comment below. Hit like and subscribe for more quality premium videos.